So today I will be doing some air balancing. So we got complaints about there's always cold on one side of the house. One side of the house not getting any airflow. I'm gonna have to adjust some dampers. I have the flow hood, so I'll be checking CFMs. It's an older model house, so really not gonna do a heat load calculation. It still has the old ductwork and poor insulation. I'm just gonna do a regular rule of thumb CFM reading and try to get at least 1 CFM per square foot. That's my goal. Listen to the family and feel what they saying going on and see if we can make them more comfortable. So I'm setting up. I got my flow hood. I got them bucket with a bunch of different tools, flashlight.
But it's the mudroom, it's the kitchen,
yeah.
It's the TV room,
yeah.
and the office, right?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So this kitchen and the mudroom are the slowest.
Okay. So this one here.
Once you get once you kind of flip it or whatever. The dining room and the room all the way by the garage, they are pretty strong.
Okay.
Yes.
Take some air, the air readings as it is right now.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do like a before and after.
Okay.
Okay.
Do you need to go outside?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Just in
the
attic.
dog is outside.
Okay. No, just in the attic.
Okay.
And,
yeah. That's fine.
Okay. So a box with a square means diffuser. If you have one line, let me return. So living room, dining, kitchen. Oh wow, this is getting a lot. So neat. I'm getting 900 or something. That's why I want my fan always on. Alright, so as you can see, these are my dampers. So this is what I'll be controlling the airflow with. If I'm not mistaken, the room that was getting a lot of air, that's this damper right here. And we got air leakage that I would need to fix, but I can control the airflow with these dampers. Before I touch anything, I'm gonna go get a reading so I know exactly where I'm at.
Yeah, you can take it apart. Just keep all the pieces on the sofa, okay? So we don't lose them.
I'm gonna make a beautiful fire.
You're gonna make a beautiful fire? That sounds cool.
You use the fire top because it's dark.
Alright, so that's my living room area. 130. I'll do the same thing. Dining room. About 119 on average. Alright, so move to the kitchen. So the kitchen was getting a complaint. Not enough airflow. As you can see, they are correct. Not getting as much airflow in the kitchen.
No, so kitchen is the worst.
Mm-hmm, okay.
It's always, since we moved here, we've always noticeably it's been, cold in here.
Okay, we're gonna take care of that. 10 CFM. All right, so for sake of time, I'm not gonna show all the air balancing, but I will give you an example of what I'm doing as far as the kitchen and the living room area. Increase some airflow in the living room and push it toward the kitchen. They say the kitchen is the worst area, and that's the area that they want more air. So I'm trying to show like a before and after of the kitchen CFM. As you can see, the kitchen CFM on one vent, I was getting like 44 CFM. So I'm going to increase that. This one here got a lot of airflow also. He said it's getting too much airflow. So I'm going to decrease this one, but let's see how many CFM we can do this laundry room. So that's the laundry room. Do this real quick. I had to rename that one laundry. But not getting much out of here. So there's a device I can hook up on here for low airflow, low volume. See, I don't have that piece. All right, so we just record what we got. I'm gonna put 3. So I can decrease that by a lot. Let's say 200. 0 out of this one. You see no airflow with a flow hood or the top T's. Anemometer. So we gotta get some airflow in here. Alright y'all, so I got all my CFM readings for before. So I'm gonna add all these up. Like the 130 and the 9744, 10, 119. That'll give my total CFM. And like you see this middle room, which I'm in right now, I'm getting 0. I'm gonna get my tape measure and do some square footage. Add all those up and get a total of 630 CFM. So now I'm just looking around just to get an idea of what duct serves what. So I kind of know the lay of the land. Like, I know that room right there getting airflow. So we gotta. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna continue to follow some of this duct working. Like I say, because it's 2 units. This one serves upstairs. You got 1 served downstairs. All right, so I'm just getting the lay of the land, looking where all my duct work and what area it serves. So I'll be making some adjustments, and then when I get back, I'll kind of show the final result. So some things just get real weird. So I was looking for my duct that goes to this middle room here, that I'm getting no airflow. As you can see, this supply goes here. They got a T and feeding inside this supply here. And I'm thinking this goes where I need it to go. Well, why in the world would you tee another supply into another unit? Oh boy. All right. 100. So this total area got 180 CFM. Let's go to the before. As you can see, at first I was getting well over 200. Just kind of behind the scenes. So that room that's over in that area right here, which is like an extra office, you can tell, I don't know why they use 10-inch duct, but it's getting extremely too much airflow. I discovered that I open it up. This one doesn't have a damper, so I need to decrease. I need to go from 250 all the way to 100 CFM. So I need a damper to do that. So I'm gonna go ahead and install a damper right here to control that airflow some. And like these right here, it's for that kitchen area that's not getting any airflow. So once I decrease the airflow right here, I'll be able to open up more airflow to the kitchen area. So now that we got the damper installed, I can control the airflow now. Hey folks, so of course when you dig into this kind of stuff, you'll find more problems. But this right here, this duct here serves my kitchen area. And I was hoping to closing it, trying to control the airflow, but as you can see, the damper came loose. So it wasn't adjustable. And you can see the position that it's in is pretty much in the closed position. I'm going to fix this and I'll be able to create more airflow for the kitchen. Right here. I want to bump that up to about 150. Remember, my kitchen area wasn't getting, I think, number like 30 or 40. So now, as you can see, by me fixing a damper and adding a damper, I'm able to control this airflow. Remember, this one was getting way too much. I was getting like 200 and something. All right, so that's a continuation. There's one duct right there. All right. Now, I'll just take this off and pinch it and just close it up. What a waste. All right, one duct. And that one been amputated. So now, I'm going around to record all my CFMs. As you see, the kitchen was 44. All right. So I got 143. I'm gonna run down and close that damper some. There's too much airflow right now for my kitchen. We got 140 more CFM than we had when we first got here. Remember last time in the laundry room I was getting 3 CFM. Let's see what we're getting now. I was only getting 3 CFM in the laundry room when I first got here. Now we got 104.
Alright, folks. So I pretty much got everything where I wanted. Camera about to die, so I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. Alright, y'all, as always, thanks for watching.